It's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. Tasteful, impressive, innovative Odyssey, more than just a minivan. It comes with all the amenities you need. Streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, remote engine start, driver memory seats, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Kelley Blue Book states in everyday driving, the Odyssey suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings are not so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.